Hi, friends. Are you realizing God's presence right here, right now? Are you realizing and recognizing the transformation that you have been through, that we collectively have been through during this last year? We are heading into the week of the anniversary of Hurricane Harvey here in our area. And as we embrace this, we acknowledge the tremendous change that has occurred internally and externally as a result of this event. We have learned to pray in ways that we didn't know were possible. We've learned to be God's hands and God's feet on the ground, or through the waters, or through the storm. In every possible way, we've come to a place of recognizing how much we need and depend upon not only our expression and our understanding of God's presence, but truly knowing God as a connection that we don't let go, we can't let go, and we know we're connected in every moment, and how important that is for us. We've also come to know in this the realization of how important each individual is in coming together to help, to share, to be unity, to let go of the things that we have put such importance on along the way. One of the things that occurred is all the things at that moment that were up, and considerations that were so, everybody was up in arms over this or that. And yet in the moment of realization of our connection to one another, our need to be one humanity together, our need to know of faith in God with each other, that it changed the field. It changed everything. The whole field of existence was transformed in that moment, and it continues to be. It continues to be each time we remember that we are here to be one family of those that are here loving and nurturing and living on this planet Earth. Those that are here loving and nurturing and supporting each other along the way. It's the only way. God's presence is palpable and alive. And though I will always know that this turning point in our lives has had many, many challenging and difficult effects, there are some great things, some great realizations, and I don't ever want to minimize or pay less than full attention to those realizations. God bless you, friends. I love you all. I'll be gone for a 3-week hiatus in spiritual renewal and look forward to being with you when I return. And my heart is with you as you honor this time of all that has occurred since Hurricane Harvey. God bless you. Let's count our blessings.